Here we are going to see the best quality current affair daily MCQ. The first question is read like this. Consider the following statement. Gandharva Veda related with the music is an Upaveda of the Tharva Veda. No, this is incorrect. Gandharva Veda related to with the music is an Upaveda of the Sam Veda, not the Tharva Veda. So first is incorrect. Second, telling that Jaimini Brahmana speak collectively of the dance and music is very correct assignment. Third is telling that Ateria Aryanka discuss musical instruments is correct. Fourth is telling the first reference to the musical theory was discussed in the भारत नत्य शास्त्र इज करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. तो दो तीन चार करेक्ट है, तो तीन वो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आपका हो जाएगा सी, बिकॉज ये इज द इनकरेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड आस्किंग दैट कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट regarding the Sangeet Ratnakara. First telling it was written by Panini. No, this is incorrect. Second telling it claim that there is only one fundamental raga. No, there is more than one fundamental raga. So second is correct and first is correct. Sorry, second is incorrect and third is first is incorrect, and third is telling that they discuss both Northern India and Dravidian style of music is very correct. And third is the correct statement, and first and second is incorrect. So only third is the, so only one means A is the correct answer. Next question, question number third, asking that ragas in Indian music are types and season specific. Which of the following is meant to be a sung at morning? Hindol. Hindol mean to sung at the morning. C is the correct answer. Next question, question number 4, asking that who among the following are associated with the revival or promotion of the Bharatnatyam dance form? Rukmini Devi, Arunade, yes, they are associated with the promotion of the Bharatnatyam dance form. So Bal Saraswati, no, this is a Pucci dance form. They associated with the revival and promotion of the Pucci dance form, not to the Bharatnatyam. So second is incorrect, first is correct. And the third is telling the E. Krishna Iyer. Yes, E. Krishna Iyer is associated with the revival and promotion of the Bharatnatyam dance. So third is correct. And fourth is coming Ragini Devi. Ragini Devi is associated with the revival and promotion of the Kuchipudi dance. So 2 and 4 is incorrect, first and second is correct. So correct answer is आपका हो जाएगा only 2 means B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next question, question number 5, asking that the caves of Udaygiri, Khandegiri provide some of the earliest example of each of the following form of Indian classical dance: Kathak, Satriya, Manipuri, and Odissi. Udaygiri and Khandagiri are the located in a Odisha state. So Udaygiri and Khandagiri are describe an example of the Indian classical dance form. Ajana provides some of the earliest example of the Odissi classical dance form. So D is the correct answer.